Ready to turn that Apple gift card into the iPhone of your dreams? First, let's explore how to buy an iPhone online using your Apple gift card. Head to Apple.com and then select the iPhone you would like to purchase. When you're on the screen to configure your chosen iPhone, selecting the model, style, color, and memory you want, add the iPhone to your bag. Once you finish selection by clicking the Add to Bag button. Once you're viewing your bag and are sure of your purchase, select the Checkout button. On the payment screen, locate the Add Gift Card option and enter your gift card number and any PIN that might be required, and the amount will deduct from the total. Want to buy one at an Apple store? Find your local Apple store and head on over. When you're ready to pay, simply present your Apple gift card to the Apple employee, and they will scan it and credit the amount to your purchase. If the gift card doesn't cover the full cost of the iPhone, you can pay the remaining balance with another gift card, a debit or credit card, or even Apple Pay. Now go enjoy your new iPhone.